हेलो एवरीवन, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्नेहा जोन। आप सभी का बहुत 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 वार्मली वेलकम है एक बार फिर से मेरे चैनल पे। आज आई एम सो मच एक्साइटेड, सो लेट मी शेयर विद यू ऑल व्हाई आई एम सो मच एक्साइटेड। माय एक्साइटमेंट इज़ लाइक at this part. The reason of my excitement is for the brand Plum. Plum is celebrating its 9th birthday. Wow, Plum is my favorite brand, which is not into skincare, not into hair care, but the beauty products, the cosmetic products, and now they are launching the baby Plum too. So let me begin. Like, Plum is celebrating its 9th birthday, and on their special birthday occasion, they are like organizing a huge massive sale which is going live on plumgoodness.com. You just log into this website and just browse through the categories of the product, and the main thing, they are having their launch from 30th of June till 6th of July. So their sale starts from 30th June and ends on 6th July. And the more exciting part and a little secret which I'll tell you. So come little closer, I'll tell you a secret that they are giving free goodies, free Plum on every purchase, and believe me, 9 Plum on purchase of minimum 2000. So Plum has sent me an PR package and I'm very much excited to show you all, और उसका क्या ingredients हैं, क्या products है, क्या usage है, और मेरा mini review too, what I am using on my face or skin. So I'm very excited by seeing their package. So the first product which I've received on that package is this Plum hair oil serum. This serum is like just what I'll tell you, many usage in just one serum. Second thing which I've received from in my PR package is this Plum 10% niacinamide face serum with rice water extract. This is the wonder serum which I've received. The next product which I've received is this Cheekaboo. Cheekaboo is like this cheeks, so obviously this is the blush, and in their Rose on You shade, niacinamide 10% serum with rice water. So this is suited for all skin type. It's not like only oily can use, only dry can use, only combination. So every skin type can use this serum. This is that much good. And this is fragrance free and it's 100% vegan, no cruelty, no artificial colorants, no chemicals, no foul smell. So this is fragrance free, and I'll show you the bottle too, a cute little white bottle. So I'll show you the texture. So let me show you. See, it absorbs into the skin very quickly, and it does not like feel like sticky. So this serum is a must use. You can try in your daily routine, PM AM both routine, and give it a try once. You're gonna love it. I've not used the makeup, just the I've used into my eyes the kajal and the eyeliner, nothing else. So just drop it, give it a nice little like massage, then dab 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 dab, and here you're done. And the next is the Cheekaboo blush in shade 122 Rose on You. You can see this is a matte blush, a very nice shade, a very cool shade, perfect for summers and winters too, for every Indian skin tone. This suit, you see this color, this is so nice, and this spreads very easily. It merges and spread into your skin very easily, no more hassle. See, you can see. So the shade looks so good and so natural pink. So you must try. I just love the shade. Is the Moroccan Organ hair oil serum. You can use it many ways, like before the shampoo as an oil. You can apply it before 2 hours of washing, then apply it and then wash after 2 hours. Then you can use it as an serum too, which is after washing, after shampooing, you can use, take a small amount, pea amount of, take a pea amount of this serum and apply it on the length of your hairs, and this works wonders. It removes the frizz and it conditions your hair, it strengthens your hair, it gives a volume. Also it is good for your hair health. Then the third way which you can use is like before styling, like before curling, before straightening, you can use it as a styling, pre-styling serum. And the next and the last is like as a relaxation, like oiling massage too. You just take a good amount, massage your head and your scalp, and you will feel relaxed, as it had the essential oils which give and nourish your scalp and hairs too. माई हेयर्स आर वेरी फ्रीजी एट दी टूवर्ड्स दी एंड. जब भी मैं बाल धोती हूँ उस दिन तो लाइक मेरे हेयर्स जो होते हैं लाइक ऐसे मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लफ़ी हो जाते हैं और बिल्कुल भी स्मूदन नहीं लगते, स्ट्रेट नहीं लगते. सो वॉट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज़, आई हैव वॉश्ड माई हेयर्स today only. So what I am going to do is, on one side I am applying the serum, and on the another side I'm not applying the serum. Let's test it live. So let's just take few drops. You can see the texture. It is not very oily and it is just the serum texture. So what I'll do is apply on the length of my hair. यहाँ के बालों में थोड़ा फ्रिज ज़्यादा है और यहाँ के बालों में देखिए एट द मोमेंट लाइव इतना ये थोड़ा सा फ्रिज इन्होंने कंट्रोल किया है पहले, और अब में देखिए थोड़ा सा फ्रिज कंट्रोल हो गया है. So this is just like wow. So enjoy this birthday bash, and before like winding up, let me tell you that I have a code for you. Like they are offering on their website up to 50% off, and by using my code which is HBD, happy birthday ka HBD Plum, and you will get 10% off on the product. I am waiting for your comments. और अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो यूँ ही पसंद आती है, अच्छी लगती है, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा. गो चेक आउट देयर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड डू टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स. बाय बाय.